here's my heading. Here's the purple diamond. So all I have to do is line up the purple diamond with my needle. I've got the perfect wind correction angle. I have nothing to think about. Don't teach them that until stage 2. Otherwise you'll miss. They won't learn how to bracket properly if you teach them that. Okay, always start with the most basic. But once they get into this, okay, let's introduce holds. Let's do them basically. Now in the next lesson. So let's look at this little track number. How can that help us? Well, it's easy. Just like we talked about. We've got a 6-degree correction that I know I'm going to be holding as soon as I get up there. So if I'm 160 and I'm going 154, where's the wind coming from? East. It's blowing that way. It's coming from the west. Okay? So being able to look at that really quick, if that's where my track is, the wind's always coming from the opposite direction of this. So if I'm looking on a heading indicator and I'm going 160 and it says 154, that means the wind's over here. So now that means that I'm going to correct 18 degrees to the west when I do my next outbound course. The more you start learning about this track and paying attention to it, helps you to fly, approaches perfectly, everything. When you're coming down on an approach, how many times does the wind change? Normally 2 times, but can be as high as 4 times. Because as you descend through the wind levels, you can get as many as 4 wind changes. If I'm watching that track though, I'm dead on course, I look up and my track's drifted 3 degrees, grab my heading bug, 1, 2, 3. You'll never get off course on your needle. Don't teach them that until the end. Otherwise they'll be very lazy. Questions? That's holding.
Yeah, keep calling it.